So this is exactly what I was saying in yesterday's video. I told every rise in the market is a good opportunity to short the market, and that is exactly what is happening. And in spite of today being a normal day, today is not expiry, tomorrow is going to be expiry, nifty expiry. On a non-expiry day, market is moving. Look at the way it is moving. It gapped up at around it gapped up. Yesterday's close was around 22,950. Gap down at around 22,850. 100 points gap down. Then tried to reach around 23,000. It is not able to go above 23,000. That is exactly what I was saying. Every rise in this market is an opportunity to short the market. If you had gone entry, or if you had entered the market at around 23,000 levels, here there is a very clear block order with a huge sell quantity. Here is also a block order, and your orders, whether you are a buyer or whether you are a seller, it will be grabbed and the market will literally come on the downside. And that is what we told. This is a market where every rise you will have to short the market. But you will ask me, how can we do that? If it goes on the opposite side, what we can do? Obviously you are right. I'm not I'm not saying you are wrong, but this is how things are working. Like they are trying to meditate you, or they are trying to rig you, or they are trying to believe you that the market will go on the higher side. There is no positive news, and I'll tell you what, the only positive news why market is going on the higher side is because of Banknifty, and not only Banknifty, that is only because of Axis Bank. If you see here, this is Banknifty chart. Only because of Axis Bank and Bank of Baroda you are seeing big movement in Banknifty. Imagine if Banknifty was not there, what would have happened, right? So you would have gone wrong. Market would have gone below let's say around 22,023. Where is the market? Nifty would have gone below 22,000, maybe 800, or 22,000, let's say 22,500 also. And hopefully maybe tomorrow we are going to see 22,500 also. Why? Because there is very important economy data in terms of US market. US Federal Reserve FOMC minute is there, and I'm sure it is going to be a negative news because FIIs would have known. And yesterday, if you had seen the FII data, FII was net buyers. Don't assume that they are net buyers. There was a block order in Airtel. If you remove that, they would have been net sellers only. So what I'm trying to say here is they really know what is going to happen in terms of Federal Reserve. That is why they are shorting the market. So that's why we told every rise in this market is a shorting opportunity. You should try to short the market. Of course, I'm not telling you tips or any kind of tricks here. There is a very strict disclosure. You have to handle it at your own risk and responsibility, right? So now going back to the markets, now whether we believe market is going to go on the higher side, or whether the market is going to come on the downside. Look at how perfectly this order block is working. Now exactly at this area where there was a rejection mark, there was a order block, market rejected. Again they have written here, and again here also there is a rejection, and gap down also there was a rejection. From this alone you can see how useful this order block, or how this order block is working in terms of market, in terms of price action. Now coming back to the point of whether the market goes on the higher side or whether the market comes on the downside, I was saying we really don't care. That is because we have a strategy, we have a proven strategy. Irrespective of whether the market goes on the downside or on the higher side, we will be in profit. So I'll post a separate video on that going forward when time permits. So if you can see here, unrealized profit is around 31,000, unrealized is around 33,000. In spite of market making so much volatile moves, we are in a profit of 1,826. I know it is not a big number, But I can tell you, all these days, all these days we have been struggling to make profit. And if you ask me, since April, we didn't this financial year we are not profitable. There is no denial, and I can say I am in good profit. I'm not going to say that. Slowly we are coming out of the mindset. See, before, what we used to do is we used to trade aggressively, right? I will show you my PNL one day also, how much loss we made. So nothing to hide. As I told you, I will also share my previous PNL. When it was expiry, when we were doing expiry day trades, we were in a profit of around 50%. We used to make 50%, 60%. But what happened is, of lately, like till June, July, we were making good profit in expiry day trades. We never used to take positional trades. All our trades were expiry day trades. Those time we made a good profit, 50%, 60% we made. But slowly that reduced. Why? Because of lots of injection, lots of spike. We were not able to manage. And you know what happened is, at one point of the time we were taking aggressive risk, right? So aggressive risk was taken, and that was a very, very good slap in our mindset, because you shouldn't be taking aggressive risk. Now we are not taking aggressive risk. If I have to put you in another way, even if we make 0.25% or less than 0.25%, let's say 0.15%, I am more than happy. We are not taking risk at all. Let Nifty go to zero, or let Nifty go to, hypothetically I am saying, let Nifty go to around 30,000. We are safe. We don't have to worry. So that is how our mindset has been shifted from taking an aggressive trade to being ultra conservative, right? So that is how you also have to be. Don't take risk in this market, irrespective of whether India VIX is going on the higher side or on the downside. Market is moving like hell, and you will find it very hard to make money in this market. I can tell you, strangles and straddles are not making any money. I talked to a gentleman, like he used to make strangles, and he was profitable all these years. But this financial year he is not able to make money. So let me know on the comment section below, are you making profitable? Are you profitable in this financial year? If you are profitable, I am very, very happy for you. But as an option seller, I am an option seller, so my perspective is delta neutral, non-directional trades. We mostly go into non-directional trades, and I'll also tell you, we also forget OTMs. When we decide, see, I have decided I have to sell options. So when we decide to sell options, we sell at the money, or not out of the money, at the money, or sometimes even in the money options. So when we have decided to sell, why we have to sell it for 10 rupees or 5 rupees? Sell it for 150 rupees or 130 rupees, right? So that is how we work now, and that is how our strategies are working. Let us see how things work out. And as of tomorrow, we strongly believe that the market may come on the downside. Maybe 22,800 will be taken out, is what we believe, or is what we see. Let us see. Even now, as I talk to you, premiums are not that much, but we really don't know how these guys will end up tomorrow, right? They might take the premium on the higher side tomorrow morning. Look for what is going to happen tomorrow morning. Also look for what is happening in the US market tonight. If US market is closing red, Nifty will most likely be below 22,800 by tomorrow. If that doesn't happen, maybe we will go around. I don't believe Nifty is going to cross 23,000 until there is really positive news. Where is the positive news? That is what I am asking all these days. No positive news, no positive momentum, and most likely now also I am saying, I am repeating it again, every positive move or every possible rise in the market is an opportunity for FIIs to sell this market. still valuations are higher. So don't try to be long in this market one way or other. Try to be short in this market. So let us see what is going to happen. I'll not take much of your time. I'll end this video here. I'll see you in yet another video. Till then, take care. Bye.